to send USDT from Binance wallet to Binance exchange. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. First up, after you open up now your Binance exchanger like this, so the first thing to do, you go to the asset. After you go to asset, now click on this. In this also, now click on this add funds. So now select this one on chain deposit. So from this option, now click on the search and search for USDT. So now here is it. Now select the USDT. After you select the USDT, now choose the network. So for this video, I want to use this BSC network. So after you select the network, now copy the address. Click on this option. After you copy the address, so the next thing to do, now you go back. So now you click on this back and now go to home. So now go to your wallet. After you open the Binance wallet, so now go to asset again. After you go to assets, so from this option now you'll be able now to find all your USDT. Scroll to down and select this one, the first USDT. So after you select this one, so the next thing to do, so now you click on the send button. So after you click on the send button, so there is two options for you. So now if you want to send the USDT to your Binance, if you want to send USDT transfer to Binance exchange, so you click on this option, or you just have you now you copy the address. If you want to send it through the address you copy, you click on this option. But since you want to send the USDT into your Binance exchanger, so just click on this first one. So by clicking on the first one, now as you can see here is it now, it says Binance spot or funding. So just now click on this option now and type in the amount. So by typing the amount that you want to send, after you type in the amount, just now click on this option. So from there, if you have the available amount of the USDT in your wallet, it will give you option to click on the continue button. So because I don't have the amount of the USDT, that's why now it's not giving me the continue button. So if you have the amount, just click on the continue button. By tapping on the continue button, from there the USDT will be sent into your Binance exchanger, that's from your Binance wallet, and you can be able to find the USDT in your spot or funding wallet. And that's it guys on how to send USDT from wallet to exchange in Binance.